Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, students. How's your day? I'm
sleepy.
I'm more sleepy.
Yes.
How about you, sir?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. I hope you good too. Okay. Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Since this is last subject for today, are you?
I'm bored.
You're bored?
Yes.
Don't worry. I will make this class fun and chill.
Okay.
Really? So you have to be in good condition. Okay? Okay, great. So before we start our lesson, exciting, mas malahir. So before we get to the drill, I will check the attendance first. So the name that I mentioned, please raise your hand and say present. Okay? Salva,
Present.
Melia,
Present.
Ival,
Present.
Zalva.
Present.
Okay, good. I think all of you is here today. So, before we get into the material, I want to ask something to you guys. What time is it? Now. What time is it now?
It's 4 o'clock.
Really? Really?
Is it 1 o'clock?
Is it 1 o'clock?
Yes.
Because this is there's no o'clock. There's no water here.
What time is it?
Okay, good. So, for today, we are going to learn or discuss about what time is it? Repeat after me. What time is it?
What time is it?
Good. So, this is used for asking the time to the people, to other people. Okay? So, once again, what time is it?
What time is it?
So, how to answer when the other asking this to us? How to answer it? Okay. This is the key point. O'clock.
O'clock.
Half past.
How fast?
Quarter past.
Quarter past.
Good job. Quarter two.
Quarter to.
Good. You guys already familiar with this phrase? No, yeah? How to say this?
7 o'clock.
Okay, good job. It's correct. 7 o'clock. So it's used for the time is already in 12. It has been 12. So it's called 7. How about this?
8.
Half past 8.
Good job. This is half past 8. So this is used for the time is already past 30 minutes or half past hour. You get it?
Yes.
Okay. So half past 8.
Half past 8.
Good job. The next one is how about this?
Quarter past 9.
Good job. Quarter past 9. So this is used for the time that already past 15 minutes. So this is the quarter time. 15 minutes past. So once more, quarter past 9.
Quarter past 9.
Excellent. And last one. 11. Because this is a 40-minute, a 15-minute walk to 11 o'clock. 15-minute walk until 11 o'clock, so it's called quarter to 11. So it is the 15-minute walk until 11 o'clock. Do you get it, guys?
Yes.
Very good. So we can use this phrase. So when other people try to ask the time to us. So now I want you guys to make a group of 2. Okay? Make a group of 2. And then make a short dialogue about asking the time. Okay? Make a short dialogue about asking the time. After that, I want you guys to come forward to present it. To role play the dialogue you already made. Okay? Is my instruction clear?
Yes.
Should I? What?
Yes.
Yes.
How much you can give us the time to make the dialogue?
I think 3 minutes.
Oh my
Or
God.
3 minutes.
Oh no.
Or 3 minutes.
That's fine. That's fine.
So you can discuss with your group, like the dialogue. But the dialogue must be situational or contextual. So you have to ask a situation. Okay. So I give you 5 minutes to discuss with your group. Good. Is my instruction clear, or should I repeat my instruction?
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you 5 minutes. Let's begin. Okay, you guys already ready to present?
Yes.
Who on first? Raise your hand. Oh, good. Come forward. So what is the situation?
In a busway.
In last week? Okay, good. So that's fine. Here. In the middle.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Excuse me. May I ask you something?
Of course.
I forgot to bring my wallet. Hey, no.
Oh, is it 4 o'clock?
Alright, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good job. Okay, good. Big applause to your friends. Oh, okay. That's a good one. Yeah, men ready? Yes. Forward. Could you tell me what about the situation?
In the bus.
Bus stop?
Yes.
The bus way, the bus stop?
Yes.
Let's start.
I just wanna go to school, but I'm waiting for the bus to come. What about you? Yes, me too. I'm going to school, but I think the bus is not here yet. Do you know how
now, but I say what the activity will begin, right?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. So, okay. Now, I want to randomly ask you to answer this.
Oh my god.
Okay. I want you guys to come forward again and try to solve this question. Okay? You're so excited in my class, okay? But I will only allow to choose one, okay?
Okay.
So, who wants to first?
Amy.
Okay, Zalpa. One word. Good. So,
Cool. Cool. That.
yeah, that's good. That's right. Good job, Zalpa. Who wants next? Okay, Zalpa. Yes.
See why, sir?
Yes, good job. That's good. Who wants next? Okay, Luna.
Ooh, no. Okay.
Okay, good. Cover to four. Good job. So the last one will the answer.
Oh,
Good job. Okay, so it's correct. This is 9 o'clock. Repeat, okay? 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Half past 7.
Half past 7.
Quarter past 5.
Quarter past 5.
Quarter to 4.
Quarter to 4.
Good job. So maybe this is the last one example. This one example to you guys. How about this? Already, sorry. Who knows what this is? Raise your hand. Don't you see this? Already know? No? No? Okay. You can use this. It is. Yes, because it is 5 minutes left until 8 o'clock. So we use the last minute left into the clock. So it is 5 to 8 or it is 5 minutes to 8. Okay. Do you get it, guys?
Yes.
How about this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Good. Recall.
It is 8 to 10.
Good job. It is 8 to 10. Or it is 8 minutes to 10. Good job. You're fast. So I think you guys already know about how to estimate the time to someone and how to answer. Okay, you can use the phrase that I explained before, and then how to answer like how past, quarter past, quarter to, and then we can use this phrase blah blah blah, meaning like into okay. Is there any question? No. Really? Is there any question? No. So I will ask you guys. I will ask you. thank you for your attention. So I will pause the class today. Let's reciting Hamdalah together. So that's all for today. I hope this class is fun to you guys. You enjoy my class.
It's very fun.
So that will be all for today. Thank you for your kind attention, for your kind cooperation. See you in the next meeting. Bye.
Bye.